Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0125 Insufficient Coolant Temperature for closed loop fuel control code. If you're getting P0125, it means that your engine is running way too cold and it is not reaching operating temperature. Operating temperature should be between 195 degrees to 205 degrees. When you're getting P0125, you might notice that you're going to get this cold most likely when you're driving at night or early in the morning. Because at night and early in the morning, the engine is much colder and the weather is much colder, and it is much harder for your engine to reach its operating temperature when there is an issue. For example, if the thermostat is stuck open, it will allow coolant to circulate in the cooling system when you start your vehicle. When you start your vehicle, the thermostat should be stuck in a closed position until the engine reaches operating temperature, and then the thermostat will open up and allow coolant to circulate in the cooling system. So again, when you start your vehicle, the thermostat should be in a closed position. And when it is in the closed position, this will allow coolant to stay in the engine block and allow the engine to heat up much faster. One way to tell if the thermostat is stuck in the open position is to allow the engine to run for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, when you feel the upper radiator hose and lower radiator hose, and when it feels like the hose are not that hot, it feels like you could grab it and the hose again does not feel that hot, that's how you know the thermostat is stuck in open position and it's causing the engine to run cool. If you have an infrared thermometer, you could also check the temperature as well. For example, this is the thermostat housing, and this part here is a thermostat. So this part here is going to be attached to the engine part, and this part here is where the hose is going to be at. Now, when you take the temperature reading at startup, let's just say you're taking it on the engine side over here, then you're checking the hose on this side over here, and if the two temperatures are similar, that's how you know the thermostat is stuck open, because at startup, this part here should be hot, and this part here should be cold. The next reason why you're getting P0125 is because maybe you have a radiator fan issue. For example, when you start your vehicle, the radiator fan should not be running at all. And if you see the radiator fan running at startup, it means there's going to be some sort of issue. You might have a sticky relay, you might have a bad coolant temperature sensor, you might even have a bad fan switch. If your vehicle has a fan clutch, a faulty fan clutch can also cause the engine to run cool, especially when the fan clutch is always spinning. So again, if you're getting P0125, I always check for a stuck open thermostat. I always check for a sticky relay for the radiator fan. I always check for a bad coolant temperature sensor. I always check for a bad fan switch, and also check for a bad fan clutch. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.